Welcome guys to my channel. Today I want to clean my laundry machine. It's been a while, so I want to disinfect it, clean it, because tomorrow I need to do laundry and I do not want to do laundry before I clean it because I don't think it's clean enough. So kindly stay with me as we do the cleaning, and remember to subscribe, share and like the video. Cheers. I am now drawing water for cleaning the machine. Next, I want to add some detergent and disinfectant to the water that I've just fetched from the tap. I'm now adding powder soap, the detergent, next I'm adding disinfectant. This is for cleaning the machine, both internal and external parts of the machine. I am now cleaning the rubber gasket. This is how dirty it is. This rubber seal requires thorough cleaning because this is a place where most dirt settles as washing takes place. If you don't clean it well, it can attract building of mold and bacteria. So it is important to give it a thorough clean so that it doesn't attract mold and bacteria. It is not easy to clean the rubber gasket or the rubber seal because it's so tight, so you need to do it gently to ensure that all the dirt are removed. So that is what I'm doing now. I am now cleaning the tube or the drum of the machine. I'm now opening the filter cover in order to drain the water. So I'm opening the emergency drain tube. I'm draining the water now. This is part of the cleaning process. After draining the water, I'm opening the debris filter to get out some debris that have settled there. You see there's some little debris, but not so much. These are the debris that I've found from the debris filter. This is the seal for emergency drain tube. This is the tube that I'm holding, the black tube. Next, I'm now cleaning the place where debris filter is inserted. It is important to clean this place as well because some dirt usually settles in this area. So you need to clean to remove bad odor. And also clean the tube and the filter cover. So what I'm doing is just to ensure that no dirt is found inside. Yes. So I'm lifting the filter cover to ensure that there is no dirt in between the spaces. And on hinges of the filter cover. Our machine is exactly 6 years old since we purchased it. It has served us so well. It doesn't consume so much water and electricity. It is so efficient. This is LG brand with 2 functionalities, that is washing and drying. But in most cases we do not use the drying functionality. We only use washing functionality. If you take good care of this washing machine, that is the LG machine, it requires minimal maintenance. That's the beauty of this machine. Next, I'm removing the detergent drawer or dispenser. I also need to wash it. This is the detergent drawer or the dispenser, so it also requires a thorough wash. So this is where it usually occupies, as you can see. We've already cleaned this area. So I'm cleaning the detergent dispenser or the drawer. Next, I'm cleaning the debris filter. This is the debris filter. It is a place that holds any foreign material. This is where they are trapped. Sometimes you can find buttons, zips, or any solid material when you are cleaning it. After cleaning them, I'm now rinsing. This is the debris filter. I'm rinsing it before I return it back to its position. It is now clean. Next is the seal for the tube, the emergency drain tube. And this one is the detergent drawer or dispenser. After cleaning them, I am wiping all of them before I return them back to their position. The detergent drawer, debris filter, and the seal for the emergency drain tube. I am now returning the detergent dispenser or drawer back to its position. You have to return it gently. There you are. It's now clean and back to its position. Next, I'll be returning debris filter and the seal for the tube back to their position as well. This is the seal for the emergency drain tube. I have to return it back to its position and it has to be tight, and ensure that the tube is firmly fixed back to its position. That's what I'm doing. There you are. Next is returning debris filter to its position as well, also ensuring that it's firmly placed. After doing that, next is I'm just ensuring that it is well placed. Next is to ensure that the filter cover is also well closed. So basically that's it. Guys, the next thing that I'm going to do is to disinfect the machine. It is also always important to disinfect the machine because there are usually some bacteria that tend to grow into the machine if they are not eliminated. So to do that, I'm using the Rabito product. This is how it looks like. This is one of them. I'll pour this into the tank of the machine just to disinfect it. So after pouring this, I'll allow machine to run for some time to disinfect the machine. So this particular product, I got it from Carrefour store. Yes, it has 3 functions. It helps to sterilize and remove mildew. It's also helping decontamination and descaling and eliminating odor in the machine. So this is what I usually use. This is number 1. Number 2, I also use this. This is called Protect and Care Laundry Cleanser. This is from Astonish. It's an Astonish brand. It also used to kill bacteria and makes machine have a fresh smell. Yes, so these two are for cleaning the machine, disinfecting or rather. So after washing the outer part of the machine and inner part, I use this to disinfect the machine. Yes, so that bacteria don't grow into the machine. So this is what I usually do. These 2 products. So next we will disinfect the machine and leave it to run for some time to cleanse the tank. Don't go away, stay tuned. So these are the products that I use to disinfect the machine. This is Rabito washing machine tank cleaning. It is in form of tablets, and laundry cleanser from Astonish. This is also important because it kills any bacteria or mold in the machine, so it protects the machine. I'm wearing gloves because this product is so irritating. So I'm wearing gloves to protect my palm from burning. That's it. So I'll pour this into the machine. Then later on, I'll add 1 cup of this also into the machine. Yeah. Stay tuned. So this is what I'm doing. Then
You've already seen red. Now here's green.
Okay. This is 1 cup. I'll also add this. Welcome back, guys. So the next thing that I'm going to do is to run the machine. I've already poured 1 cup of laundry cleanser into the tray, and 1 powder, the sachet, into the drum. So I will allow the machine to run for a period of 52 minutes so that the process of cleaning and disinfecting the machine to continue. So I'm going to start the machine. Then I'll set 52 minutes. That one should be enough for the process to be complete. As the process continues, every part of the machine will be cleaned. The internal part, the drum, the rubber, every part that has bacteria will be cleansed. So I've started the machine. I'll set 52 minutes. That's 52 minutes, and then start the machine. So it will run until the process is finished. Then after that, I'll open the door to allow free circulation of fresh air to flow. That one should take about 30 minutes. Then after that, I'll just close the machine. So machine will be clean and fresh for the next laundry. Stay tuned, don't go away.